Okay, this is my room at Newcastle. It's a student dorm that they rent out when students aren't in here. So it's 1 bedroom in a block of 4. I don't have access to the kitchen or anything, just this room. So this is the view from the door. It's got a heater, little hooks, a wardrobe, a desk with a chair, more plugs, some shelves, a window. Here's the bed. It's a double bed. There is a bug in here. I can see it flying around. And then it's an ensuite, so it has a bathroom attached, which does smell, and there's some kind of wet spot there. Here's the shower. With the sliding door. Now, I've read a lot of reviews for this place, and major complaints were not having access to the kitchen, which, you know, and oh, look what happened. In the bathroom, having water problems, so I'm guessing something got wet under there and damaged that. So here's inside the closet. Yeah, so this is it. There's no fan. There's nothing. I really hope it's not too hot. Some bugs stuck to the window. But here it is.